Let's look at solving equations containing two radicals. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and try to get rid of our radicals here, and we can do that by isolating one of the radicals onto one of the sides. So go ahead and add your x plus 4, the square root of that, over to your right hand side. So you're left with a 3x plus 1, and that's going to be equal to 1 plus the square root of x plus 4. And then we're going to go ahead and square that. Now, this will be 3x plus 1. And that's going to be equal to, and really this is 1 plus the square root of x plus 4 times 1 plus the square root of x plus 4. And you can go ahead and multiply these out. So we will be left with a 3x plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 times the square root of x plus 4 plus, and then x plus 4. All right, and then go ahead and see if you can get one of the radicals over to another side again. So we're left with a 2x minus 4. And this is going to be equal to a 2 times the square root of x plus 4. So we can go ahead and square our right hand side and square our left hand side and see if we can further simplify. So this will be 2x minus 4 squared is equal to, and then this is essentially a 2 squared and then the square root of x plus 4 squared. So this will be a 2 squared, and then this will be an x plus 4. Go ahead and see if you can simplify that just a little bit further. So it'll be a lot of multiplication here. Oh, we need this. You're left with an x squared, or 4x squared minus 8x plus 16. And this is going to be equal to 4 plus 4x plus 16. So further reducing, you're left with a 4x squared minus 20x, and that's going to be all equal to 0. And now we can pull out a 4x, and we're left with 4x times x minus 5, and that's going to be equal to 0. So our proposed solutions, we have 4x is equal to 0, and we have x minus 5 is equal to 0. So we have x equals 0, and we have x is equal to 5, and we need to go ahead and plug these back in to our original equation and see if it makes sense. So we will have a 3x plus 1 minus the square root of x plus 4, all equal to 1 as our original equation. Try 0 and 5 in both of these to see if they make sense. Let's try 0 first. This will give us a 1 minus 2 is equal to 1, or negative 1 is equal to 1. And that doesn't make sense, so we can go ahead and exclude this x is equal to 0 as one of the solutions, and we can try the 5. Trying the 5, we have a 3 times a 5 plus 1 minus the square root of 5 plus 4, and that's going to be equal to 1. We have a square root of 16 minus the square root of 9 equal to 1. So that's a 4 minus 3 equal 1, or 1 is equal to 1, which checks out. So we know that x is equal to 5 is going to be one of our solutions here.